This video will show you how to install a canopy tent. You'll need 2 people for this task. Remove the tent from the case and expand the frame by pulling where it says open on both sides. Be careful not to bend or force the frame. To lock the frame in place, push all 6 connectors up until they click. Once you've expanded the frame fully, you'll need to expand the telescoping legs by pushing the red button and pulling the leg out until it clicks. To put the canopy back down, you'll just reverse everything that you just learned. Release and close the legs, release and close the connectors. Make sure you do all 6 on a 10 by 20 tent. This will release the frame so that you can push it back together on both sides. Once it comes together, you'll be able to put it back into its carrying case. You may need the assistance of 2 people, and then it's ready for return.